Good morning, welcome back. Thought I'd take you up to the garden this morning, show you what I've been doing. Trying to get ready for the fall garden, and I got it broke up pretty good now, and tomorrow I'll till it up and row it up and plant it. It's time for a fall garden. Plant some more peas, maybe some more corn, some summer squash, some turnip greens, and things like that, and probably some more broccoli and cauliflower, and then thinking also maybe some cucumbers for pickles. It'll last on up until the end of September. October is when it'll start coming in, and with the weather the way it's been, there shouldn't be any reason why we can't do that. But I was wanting to take you up and let you see the garden spot. It's a small garden, but out of this small garden we get enough vegetables to last us all through the winter and on to the next planting season. And we look forward to those fresh vegetables. But we're walking up our pathway right now to see where we're going to the garden. Look up there, you can see that old boat ahead there. Nice trail. But I was thinking that, the older I get, the slower I get. And I'm approaching 73 now. And I tell people what I used to do all day, now it takes me all day to do. But living out here in the woods the way we are, we got 45 acres in the middle of nowhere. No close neighbors, anybody to bother us. About the only thing we have that bothers us are coyotes and trespassers. Sometimes people think they can just go wherever they would like and deer hunt or squirrel hunt or rabbit hunt, and it's just not so. This place I've worked hard for all my life. I drove a truck for 45 years, and in that 45 years we saved up enough money and to pay for this place, build our house, and live our dream. And that's what we're doing. We're down here living life in the wood and living the dream. But self-sufficiency is one of the things that is important to us. We like to be on our own, and as long as we can keep moving and are able to do things such as plant gardens, mow our grass, repair our house, repair our lawn equipment, whatever it takes, we're going to do. We don't wish to be a burden on anybody, and when the time comes, we're set up so that we'll be taken care of and won't be a burden to our children. When we die, the funeral's paid for. Those are things that we considered and we worked hard to pay for. But I'll take just a minute and show you what I've done. I used my tractor, which is a Kubota M4700. It's a medium-sized tractor, but it does the job. And I'm using a 6-foot tiller attachment for the tractor. I use that to break the ground up with. And then I row it up with my horse tiller, my Troybilt horse. I've had this tractor for this tiller, I've had this tiller for 40 years, I think. It's an original one built by Garden Way out of Ohio. Has nothing to do with China. This is all American, including the Kohler Magnum 8. Everything about it is US made, and it does a fine job. I've had it, have used it to death just about. I've changed the bearings in the PTO unit there twice, and I need to change them again. The seals on them are leaking. But this morning I came up here to the garden and and I tilled it up with the tractor first. Then I went over it with my Troybilt. And you can see I'm prepping it up, getting it ready. And tomorrow morning, I'll get up about 4:30, maybe 5 o'clock. I'll sleep in a little bit. But I thought I'd get up and row it up and go ahead and plant. We're going to plant peas, corn, cucumber, squash, and the such for the fall garden. I'm even going to plant the turnip greens. But stay tuned and watch for that later. Thank you for watching.